In this video, we will talk about how to make money with YouTube. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel. If you are focused on how to make money on YouTube, you may already know that YouTube paid its content creators more than $30 billion between 2019 and 2021. On top of that, a recent report by Oxford Economics found that YouTube's total economic impact in the US was $16 billion, equivalent to 345,000 jobs in 2019. In short, making money on YouTube is not only possible, it's a hugely profitable business that's empowering millions of entrepreneurs, companies, and small businesses around the globe, including the course creators, entrepreneurs, and other expertise-based businesses that make up our audience at Learning Revolution. So if you are wondering how to monetize YouTube videos and join in this global revolution, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll share 8 different ways for how to make money off YouTube by creating high-quality content. 1. Become a YouTube Partner Advertising Program. The most popular way to make money with YouTube is through the YouTube Partner Program, YBP. The YouTube Partner Program, YBP, is a monetization program that allows content creators to earn money through advertising on their YouTube videos. When you become a YouTube partner, you allow YouTube to run ads during your videos. If a viewer watches an ad on your video for at least 30 seconds or clicks a link in the ad, you earn a certain percentage of the advertising fees. How much can you earn as a YouTube partner? Ryan Kanji, the highest-earning YouTuber in 2019, made almost 90% of his YouTube earnings from the YouTube Partner Program, YBP. As a result, the engagement level of such ads is much higher, resulting in higher earning for YouTube partners. 2. Sell online courses to your YouTube audience. If you're an online course creator or an e-learning professional, YouTube is an ideal platform to generate leads for your business, add students to your funnel, and drive more sales. Unlike the YouTube Partner Program, YBP, selling courses on YouTube doesn't have any eligibility criteria. You only need to consistently publish high-quality content, establish authority on your topic, and persuade your viewers to buy from you. Numerous online course sellers are already doing it. For example, here's a weight loss expert launching his new course through YouTube. YouTube will be your primary traffic source, where you'll publish free content to grow your audience, build your subscriber base, and establish you as an authority in your niche. Once you're a credible expert on your topic, persuading your subscribers to buy from you becomes much easier. 3. Sell products as an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is among the most popular ways to make money online and on YouTube. If you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, here's how it works. You promote someone else's products to your audience and earn a commission on every sale you refer. Why is affiliate marketing such a popular business model? Because consumers do not trust advertising anymore and seek authentic third-party reviews before buying products online. According to research, 9 out of 10 consumers check online reviews before a purchase decision. Similarly, 54.7% of consumers check at least 4 reviews before buying a product. 4. Publish sponsored content with brand partnerships. Sponsored content is another popular way YouTubers make a lot of money. It's similar to affiliate marketing in the sense that you'll promote someone else's product. However, unlike affiliate marketing, you don't get paid for generating sales or leads with sponsored content. Instead, you partner with a brand and charge a one-time fee to create a video about their product or service. You can start doing sponsored content even with a few hundred subscribers. However, you'll be able to charge more money as your subscriber base and influence grows. You'll find sponsored content in all kinds of niches. For example, here's a sponsored recipe video that uses a specific brand as an ingredient. When a YouTube channel starts growing, brands often reach out themselves for sponsored content. However, you can also pitch your channel to the brands that actively invest in digital marketing channels. 5. Offer services through your YouTube channel. As your YouTube channel grows and you start building authority in your niche, many of your subscribers will reach out to hire your services. For example, if you create content about real estate investment, people may want to hire you to manage their portfolios. Similarly, if your channel is about website design, brands may reach out to you for hiring your design services. You can use YouTube to set up your own agency business by hiring people to do the work for you while you keep growing your YouTube channel. 6. Launch your speaking and coaching business. YouTube is also a great place to launch your coaching and speaking career. Why? Because you're already doing both of these things on your channel. Why not turn it into a separate business and diversify your income? For example, Chris Ducker, an entrepreneur and author, used his YouTube channel to build a thriving coaching and speaking career. Numerous other YouTubers have also transitioned into coaching and speaking businesses based on the authority they built with their YouTube content. 7. Launch your own branded merchandise. If you've built a sizable YouTube subscriber base, selling your own merchandise using Shopify or a WooCommerce store can be a great idea. I specifically mentioned Shopify because it makes the process of building and growing an e-commerce business much easier. For example, you could connect your Shopify store to sell t-shirts, mugs, caps, and other merchandise using a print-on-demand service like Oberlo. This is how Roman Atwood, a famous YouTuber with 15 million plus subscribers, launched his merchandise brand. Selling merchandise works really well for personal brand channels with highly engaged audiences. Announce your merchandise on your YouTube channel and promote it in your videos by adding your store's link in the description. When a customer places an order in your store, Oberlo fulfills and ships it directly to the customer. Oberlo deducts the product cost from the customer's payment and credits the profit to your Shopify account. All this happens backstage, which means your customer never knows that you're using a print-on-demand service for your merchandise supply. 8. Use fan funding to support your channel. Fan funding is another monetization method that more and more YouTube content creators are using these days. It's basically a way to crowdfund your YouTube channel by offering monthly memberships to your YouTube subscribers who want to support your work. With over 200,000 members, Patreon is the most popular platform YouTube creators use for fan funding. In addition to your regular YouTube content, you can offer your members exclusive content to provide additional value. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.